Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Michaela, aka Michaela Rochelle, and today's video is going to be a Shein haul. Y'all don't know how long I've been waiting to record this video. Like, I've been wanting to do a Shein haul for so long. But a disclaimer before we get into the video, I'm probably gonna be using my hands a lot. So if y'all see my messed up nails, I'm sorry. Like, this one broke today for no reason. It literally broke in half. It's so embarrassing. So if y'all see that, just mind your business. But anyway, we're going to get right into this video. I'm going to be doing this by category. So from accessories to tops to bottoms. So that's how it's going to go. And I might have the timestamps to make it easier for you guys to follow. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, y'all, so the first accessory I have is just this clear purse with gold accents around it, and it also comes with a strap if you want to make it longer. I personally would probably just hold it like this. I just feel like it's mad cute like that. It's a little mini purse. It fits what you need to be in here. Money, your phone, lip gloss, you know, it's just real cute. Next, we have a black little Crocodile mini purse. This is actually bigger than I expected, because if y'all watch Shein hauls, y'all know that they purses come like this. Like, I don't know how it looking on camera, but it don't look cheap here. But it just has gold accents as well, and it comes with a gold chain. So if you wanted to wear it like a crossbody or on your shoulder, you could do that. But yeah, this is real cute, real dainty. The next purse I have is just this denim little clutch. You could wear it as a clutch, or you could wear it with the strap. I actually wore this. I'll insert a picture of when I wore like a denim and white outfit, and it was just mad cute. And it does fit quite a bit of stuff. I still got the paper in here to keep it shaped, but it really does fit quite a lot. Next, I have this yellow little purse. I wore this as well. I wore this like once, I think. But yeah, this is pretty spacious. It's clear, it's yellow. This also has gold accents on it. I didn't even realize I got so many purses with gold. I needed some stuff with silver and I didn't even get it. But this also comes with the strap as well. You can see inside if you want to wear it like a shoulder bag. But I'm probably gonna wear all of them just like this. So next, we have this Caution purse. I know everybody has seen this purse. And I know, like, I just liked it. Honestly, it was different. I didn't have nothing like it, so. But I also wore this as well. I know. This is the only bag that I wouldn't wear, that I would wear with the strap. I just think it's cuter that way. But to each his own. If you want to wear it like a clutch, wear it like a clutch. If you want to wear it like a shoulder bag, wear it like a shoulder bag. Next, and last but not least for the accessories, I just have this clear and white purse with gold accents. I know. And this one, I don't think it's an option for you to take the chain off, but you could wear it like this. Honestly, the space is not that much unless you take this out and then you make this a purse of its own. But when I wore it, I had this in it because I didn't want all my stuff to show. Okay, y'all. I'm about to put y'all on game. So, y'all see my lashes? Y'all see them? So tell me why Shein sell mink lashes, faux mink lashes. I'm putting y'all on. I have not seen anybody say anything about Shein lashes, but I decided to try them out. I got me 5 pack of lashes from Shein. I previously ordered some. I was like, oh, these are actually nice and they last. Yes, girl, they last. Like, I've gotten like 3 uses out of the pair that I'm wearing right now. Crazy, right? So this is in the style 3D 55. So if y'all want some lashes for cheap, this was like $2.50. I think this was like $2.50. But that's not all. That's not all. Y'all, tell me why Shein got a variety pack of lashes. Of faux mink lashes. And they not the plasticky kind either. Look. Y'all see, this is 20 pairs of lashes. You know how much that would cost at a beauty supply store? Are you kidding me? And guess how much? Guess how much? I'm gonna wait for y'all to put in the comment section. Guess how much? $6. $6 for 5 packs. And you know long lashes like this be expensive. Come on. You can't get better than that. Y'all, Michaela Rochelle, Michaela, KK, whatever you want to call me, put y'all on. So if you see anybody else in their videos from here on out showing Shein lashes, let them know that I put y'all on. So, but now we're finna get into the tops, the real deal. So let's hop right in. So the first shirt that I got is just this oversized t-shirt, and it has a card on it, and it's just browns and black, white, and like, I don't even know if you would call this like orangey or like tan. I don't know, but this was really cute on, and I'll insert a picture of when I wore it. Yes, I wore it not too long ago, like a week ago, honestly, but it fit really cute. It's nice and oversized. And everything I got a size large. If I got a bigger or smaller size, I'll let you guys know, but everything I got is in size large. So this runs very oversized. So this is the first piece. Okay, y'all, so next we have, this is the zip up shirt that's like the 2 zippers. Y'all see it when I try it on, but like it has 2 zippers, and like you could wear it down right here and up like right here, or zip it all the way up, zip it all the way down if that's your cup of tea. But yeah, this is just really cute. You know, I wanted the long sleeve one, but I couldn't find it for some reason. But yeah, this is that. Next we have this little crop top. It's pink. It has baby angels on it. Children that are angels. Baby angels. I don't know. But it says whisper. And I've been trying to get this for the longest. Like, I tried to order it like 3 or 4 times from Shein, and it was always sold out. But then I finally got my hands on it, y'all. This is gonna be mad cute with some light wash ripped jeans, or just light wash. I don't know. I'm gonna make it work. And that's on what? That's on period. But yeah, this is gonna be real cute. I'm excited. Y'all, next we have this, I'm gonna call it plaid. Yeah, I think it's plaid. This long sleeve plaid shirt. It gives me fall vibes all the way. It's a mock neck, so it's not like a full turtleneck, but it's the mock neck. And I think this is gonna be so cute. I honestly might wear this for Thanksgiving. Like, if it fit right and if it's really cute, wear this with some jeans and some thigh-high boots. That don't scream fall. I don't know what does. But yeah, y'all, this is really cute. The material feels actually nice. I don't even think it's really see-through like that either. It's a little bit. But when I try it on, you probably can't see nothing though. Next is this really oversized, like, splattered, bleach looking vintage shirt. And if anyone knows me, my mother probably gonna put this in the comments. I don't get shirts with skulls on it. That's just not my thing. I don't want to walk around with death on my shirt. But this was cute. The material is different than it looked like in the picture. But I feel like I could probably still make it work. Like, I feel like it might look cute. It just feels like real polyester, like, but it's not iron on. Like, the print is not iron on, so that's good. I can appreciate that. Y'all, next is another shirt that I've been wanting for a while now. Now that I'm looking at it, it's just this khaki tannish color, crop top, long sleeve. Oh, this is gonna be cute, but I could tell it's see-through, which ruins everything. I don't know, is it that bad? If y'all could see my eyeball, then it's bad. I don't know, but this is gonna be cute. This is gonna be cute. It's just long sleeve. It feels thin, not gonna lie. The sleeves get a little baggy, and then it cinches at the cuffs. But I feel like this is gonna be cute. But it is thin. Y'all know how I was talking about my nail, right? It's been time for a filling. I was trying to wait till my mother would come back home. But at this point, at this point. I forgot I got this. Ew, this is gonna be cute. Y'all, just got a bodysuit that has like these hooks. Please tell me they're, oh, they're real hooks. Ooh. This is just this long sleeve bodysuit. It has the buttons on the bottom. Don't y'all hate when y'all gotta take off y'all whole bodysuit just to go pee? It has 3 nice buttons for you to unravel. That's great. Yeah, this is gonna be cute. As you can see, it's a tad bit see-through, but if you wear the right bra, you'll be all right. Okay, so here's the next top. It's like kind of a Colorblock top. It has like sky blue, or yeah, that's not really periwinkle. It's like a sky blue sleeves on both sleeves, and then it's white white, and then lavender and gray. This is actually really nice. I think this is gonna be nice and dainty. It's low-key a crop top, but it's gonna be cute. And I like how the trimming is like with black. I got some Vans to match this, but if I want to dress it up, heels me girl, heels me girl. So I have this crop top. It's low-key see-through. It just says Angel on it. It's a long sleeve crop top, and it's cute. I actually like the quality of this one. It's real soft. So next, every girl has this, and if you don't, it's in its tank top version, or you want it. But it's just this Chinese logo, and it says happy for this moment. This moment is your life. And it's a crop top. It's thin, but it's cute. So next, I have 2 see-through shirts. One is more cropped. This one is more cropped than this one. This one just has dragons, red dragons on it, and it's black. Then this one is just baby angels. Again, with clouds and, you know, the whole sky theme. Oh, y'all, I actually got another see-through top. It's not really that much see-through, but you would have to wear like a black bra with it. Guys, what I really wanted, I wanted the long sleeve version. If y'all know what I'm talking about, then y'all know. But like, I wanted the long sleeve version. I feel like the long sleeve version looks so much better. But I was just like, let me just get this, because I don't even think they sell it on the website anymore. It's, ooh, the disrespect. It's another bodysuit. It gives me fall vibes. It's orange. It's long sleeve. It's turtleneck. And it's not just an average bodysuit. It has high sides, so a little bit of your size would be showing, but I'll probably wear it with high-waisted jeans. So y'all, now that we're getting into the bottoms, I thought it was only right that I show y'all this jumpsuit that I got from Shein. I was absolutely surprised of the quality of this, because it's actually not that thin. Like, it's black and white, and it has 2 lines, 2 white lines going all the way down. It's a zipper. You can zip it how low you want, how high you want. But yeah, y'all, this is a jumpsuit. Get y'all jumpsuits from Shein. Y'all, next we have these jeans, honey. These jeans are different. Like, I needed some different type of jeans. Like, and these are actually not bad. You have rips going all the way down. And then the highlight of the jean is this. Like, look at the bottoms. That is different. Like, y'all can't say that's basic. That's different. I don't care what nobody say. Even if y'all do say it's basic. Y'all, we are coming to the end of this haul. We are coming to the end of this haul. But we're going to end it off with some leather, baby. We're going to end it off with some leather, baby. So, y'all, I have never been one to wear leather. Y'all can act, y'all cannot ask my mother. But even my mother would be like, what? You got leather pants? Let me see. I said, no, Ma. You got to wait till the haul. These are actually really stretchy, and I really hope to God that I could fit these. They seem real stretchy, and I looked at the reviews. They was like, oh, get your actual size or whatever. So I got a size large. And they got the split at the bottom, which makes it mad cute. This smell like fish. She ain't do better. Yeah, this stinks, but they're gonna be cute. They're gonna be cute. This concludes the end of this video. Oh my gosh, are you guys sad? I'm sad. I wanted to go on longer. I have so much energy right now. I don't know why. Like, I'm really excited to do hauls. Oh my gosh, what if I just start doing a whole bunch of hauls? Would you guys like that? Anyway, I had a lot of fun, as y'all could probably see, doing this haul. Like, it's been long awaited. Probably not for y'all, but for me, I've been waiting to do this haul for a minute. But this was really fun. Like, now I know what other YouTubers be talking about. Like, they love doing hauls and this, that, the third. I'm like, this was actually really fun, and I enjoyed talking to y'all. Like, I need to do more sit-down videos. But guys, I just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, you know, like, comment, and please subscribe. Why not? It's free. It's free. And you get to see another piece of K, and you could come back for another piece of K. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. I'm bringing it back because that's not how I do my outro for videos. Y'all know what it is. Michaela Rochelle is out.